How to put digital creator on Facebook profile. It is possible, it is not possible. Let's find out now, okay? First of all, I will point out that this process is the same to Android, to iPhone, to computer, no matter what device you are using, okay? So the first thing you need to do is log on Facebook, okay, and log into your account. After doing that, you need to click on the top right corner on this button right here, swipe down, and find Help and Support. Click on Help and Support, and you will see several options, but the option that interests us is this one, Help Center. If you click on Help Center, you will see this bar to search your problems. Okay, so we need to search digital creator. So digital space creator, okay, and you will see digital creator right here, or a digital creator profile. Click on digital creator, and here you will see several infos about digital creator. But the option that interests us is access creator support from Facebook. Click here and you will see if you are allowed to use this option, okay? In my case, I'm not allowed to use this option because you are saying that this feature is only available to some people right now, okay? And if you see this message, you will find out that you are not allowed to put digital creator on your Facebook profile. I hope I helped you with the information. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.